friend Schaefer from AIReal Yoga. The following is a video for reference only. Please make sure to follow all safety instructions. If you have any questions, do not guess. Safety is of our utmost priority. Please contact us at info@airialyoga.com. Do not wait. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate. This is a quick video to show how to put the AIReal yoga rig together. You will need 4 feet seen at the bottom of each of the longer poles. Each of those poles is made up of 3 separate parts. The bottom part doesn't have that little bell on it, as these ones do. So this part of it is the bell, and there are 2 poles that have that, and the bottom part is just completely straight. You'll also need a hammock of your choice and your color, and the top of the rig has a shackle, which is attached to the swivel right here, a carabiner. There's an Allen wrench to the right for tightening the screws, and there are 2 sewn runners that wrap around the fabric. We want to make sure that when connecting the pole into the top part of the rig that the holes are lined up. As you can see here, these are not. When you can see all the way through to the other side, it should be ready for the screw. Once you place that in, you should be able to wiggle and adjust as you see fit. When setting up the AIReal yoga rigs, we need to make sure that the screws are secure. So make sure that you place it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky when you are adjusting it to make sure that the holes align correctly. We want to make sure that the screw goes all the way in and make sure that it just tightens maybe right where you feel a little bit of resistance, but we don't want to go too far because it'll be difficult to take out. Once you have all 4 legs attached, it's best to find a friend to help lift the rig up. And we're going to walk our hands down so that we can bring it down nice and slow, or as close to it as we can get. Then we'll grab the feet and slide them right on the ends of the poles. There is padding on the bottom of the feet, which helps create more friction. Here we can make the adjustments to the fabric and tie knots on either end. Just simple knots to get the fabric out of the person's face and helps to create a nice clean look.